Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Heroine Make Mascara is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products on the market, renowned for its ability to deliver dramatic, long-lasting volume and length that can truly transform your lashes, making it a holy grail item for many makeup enthusiasts seeking that perfect fluttery look without smudging or flaking throughout the day, ensuring your eyes remain the captivating focal point of your makeup. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. Discover the Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. Achieve stunning volume and length with every application. This formula is designed to define and curl your lashes, providing a beautifully lengthened look without clumping or flaking. Enjoy smudge-proof wear all day long. It's also easily washable, making removal a breeze. Feel good about your beauty choices. This mascara is cruelty-free and proudly made in Europe. The shade 05 Brown offers a rich, natural-looking color for a sophisticated finish. It comes in a convenient 0.3 fluid ounces size. What we like? This mascara offers a beautiful natural brown shade for a softer look. It provides both volume and length, making your lashes stand out. If you prefer a subtle yet enhanced lash look and want smudge-proof wear, this is a great choice for everyday elegance. What people say? It holds curls really well and doesn't smudge. The wand is designed to reach every lash, giving a clean separation and definition. It's waterproof and resistant to sweat and sebum, so it stays put all day. Number 4. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Black Waterproof Mascara. Introducing the Cabaret Premier Mascara. Get ready for stunning volume and length that lasts all day. Experience a flawless curl without any flaking or clumping. This formula is designed to stay put. Don't worry about smudges or running. It's completely waterproof, ensuring your look stays perfect in any condition. Despite its staying power, it's easily washable. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. Crafted with care in Europe, this mascara delivers exceptional results. Achieve the dramatic look you desire effortlessly. The deep black shade provides intense definition for a captivating gaze. It's your secret weapon for beautiful eyes. What we like? Achieve dramatic lashes with this intense black, waterproof mascara. Its formula ensures no clumping for a clean finish. If you need a mascara that stays put through anything and delivers bold, defined lashes, this is perfect for long days or humid conditions. What people say? It has a very fine brush that allows you to reach even the shortest lashes. It is smudge-proof and waterproof, so it stays on all day without flaking or running. It lengthens and separates lashes beautifully, giving a natural yet defined look. Number 3. Heroine Make by KissMe Volume and Curl Mascara Brown. Introducing the Volume and Curl Mascara in brown. Get ready for lashes that are visibly thicker and beautifully defined, all day long. Our advanced formula is completely waterproof and smudge-proof. You can trust it to stay put, no matter what your day brings. Experience the dual power of volumizing and lengthening. It enhances your natural lashes, making them appear fuller and longer. Achieve a beautiful curl with its unique curling formula. It lifts and holds your lashes in place for an open-eyed look. Crafted with precision in Japan, this mascara delivers exceptional performance. Enjoy high-quality results with every application. What we like? This mascara is designed to give you thick, defined lashes with incredible volume and length. Its waterproof and long-lasting curl formula keeps your lashes lifted all day. If you're looking for dramatic, curled lashes that won't budge, especially if you have straight or downward-pointing lashes, this is your go-to. What people say? The mascara wand is designed to reach even the shortest lashes, ensuring a full and even coat. It effectively separates lashes, preventing clumping and creating a defined look. The formula is smudge-proof and waterproof, lasting throughout the day without flaking. Number 2. Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Mascara. Discover the magic of our fully feathered mascara, designed especially for young eyes. It's the perfect way to add instant thickness and definition to their lashes. This mascara is formulated to give lashes a fuller, more defined appearance. It's a safe and gentle way to enhance their natural beauty. We understand the importance of safety, which is why our mascara is non-toxic and gentle. It's makeup you can feel good about for kids, tweens, and teens. Achieve instantly thicker and more defined lashes with just a few swipes. It's designed to create a beautiful, feathered look effortlessly. Whether for a playful look or a touch of everyday glamour, this mascara is suitable for kids, tweens, and teens. It's the ideal addition to their makeup collection. What we like. Formulated with non-toxic ingredients, this mascara is perfect for younger users. It provides instant thickness and definition without irritation. If you are looking for safe, gentle makeup for kids, tweens, and teens that adds volume and definition, this is an excellent option. What people say. It holds curls all day long. The formula is smudge-proof and waterproof. It separates lashes well and adds volume without clumping. Number 1. ETUDE Dr. Mascara Fixer. Discover the revolutionary Dr. Mascara Fixer from ETUDE. Achieve a flawless, long-lasting curl that stays put all day. Its innovative wax formula is designed to keep your lashes perfectly curled from morning to night. Say goodbye to drooping. Enjoy a clean, smudge-proof finish that lasts. This fixer ensures your eye makeup remains pristine, no matter what. Experience beauty with a conscience. This product is proudly vegan certified, aligning with ethical beauty standards. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential Korean beauty product. It provides a natural yet impactful look with ease. Achieve a deep, intense black color that enhances your lashes. It adds definition and volume for a striking appearance. What we like. This fixer ensures an all-day curl hold, keeping your lashes perfectly shaped. It's completely smudge-proof and vegan certified for conscious beauty lovers. If you struggle with maintaining your curl or want a reliable, long-lasting base or top coat that's also ethically made, this is the ideal product. What people say. It holds curls really well, even on my straight lashes. The formula is smudge-proof and doesn't flake throughout the day. It separates lashes nicely without clumping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.